I just gotta take off my glasses for a moment. This is so beautiful. Oh my God, I'm so blessed to be here every day. I just can't even believe. Hold on, I just used to hate life. I just used to hate life. And now I'm here, like, seeing the beauty of the fish, watching the birds probably eat the fish, kayaking, like on a Friday morning. Just, I'm feeling so grateful and fortunate that this is my day. Like, this is how my day is starting. Uh, thank you. Thank you to myself, too, for realizing, like, this is possible. Oh, man. My mom's making her way. She's she's not this is her, like, first time maybe out here or something. Oh, I definitely need to put these back on. I've seen enough. Let's go through here. It reminds me of it's just so green. Green is the color of love. At least it is to me. And Mother Earth shows it everywhere. How much she loves us. Like, hold on, let me appreciate this. But yeah, it reminds me of Avatar Last Airbender. Like, specifically this portion. Because of that tree turtle. Let me not bump into anything, but it reminds me of the tree turtle or the turtle islands and stuff. Like this could just get up and walk away. Wow, it's so still over here compared to the other part. It feels almost like I'm in awe, and it also almost feels slightly scary just because, like, rarely am I in this. This is so unknown to me. Okay, I had to get the bridge. I don't know what my question is about this bridge, but I'm a little upset. I'm saying girl. So the bridge up ahead is the bridge I was skating on. I think in the last video that I posted of the rollerblading, I was here. I was like, on the other side, I was like, oh, look, people are canoeing. I said canoeing, but they were kayaking at least. And I was like, oh my God, I want to go kayaking. And look here. My ass is kayaking. And then it opens out into a big wide mouth down there. All right. And back we go.